My name is Alex. I'm from Germany. I'm the owner of Tofu Garage. We build a lot of Rocket Bunny stuff, white body stuff, and we're competing in the Drift Championship. This is my S13 with an LS3 swap, running on a full Link ECU. Extreme with a loom, with literally everything you can get, 15 button pad. I installed the dash quite recently, like half an hour ago, just so it works. And yeah, really happy with it. I chose Link ECU because I've been running Link in my R34 GTR, my Supra. Literally every project I basically did with heavy modified engine or anything where a standalone ECU was needed. And I've been always very happy with it, never let down. So I chose a Link for this project as well. And since Link offers the full loom and everything, I was like, hey, just make your life easy, go with the full setup and don't have any hassle or wiring problems. Just knock out problems where they don't need to be and just keep driving. I mean, it's a stock LS3 6.2, no cam, no nothing. The engine came out of my brother's car where he sadly passed away in. So this is a very emotional engine for me as well. And I was really freaking scared that it wouldn't run because we never opened it up or anything. I just had it sitting in the corner for 5 years and was scared to do anything with it. And we just decided to pop it in, put the adapter oil sump on it, mount everything, PMC adapter plate with clutch to run a BMW 5-speed, build our own drive shaft that we blew up in the first turn, and then build our second one at the event right now, and that one holds up pretty fine, so now we're set. And yeah, but pretty basic engine, mostly stock, but it does the good work. Yeah. Especially compared to the RB25 I had in before. I always had gearing issues. I always had the problem where I was way too much in the lag area with the big housing and everything. And it never felt that aggressive. Now, like from the first turn I did it was like wild. It was evil. It actually wants to push you. And it has so much grip, so much torque. It's a completely different car now. When it comes to tuning, I leave that to Roland. He's my guy. He does all my cars. Amazing guy, helped me a lot and a ton of this with as well, and he's always there last minute. I think we did the startup on this car via remote, and it was like 1 a.m. at the end, or 2 a.m. He had to get up at 5 again. So huge shout out to him. He's always there if I need him, and everything went well. 506 horsepower and 850 Newton. So it's spicy, yeah, for sure. My best tip is keep yourself in the seat, not in or under the car wrenching. So I always advise to go with proper products and proper parts, because if you're not driving it, then it's missing its purpose. So that's why I went with the loom and everything from Link, because I know it works, I know it will hold up, and I know it won't let me down. And I've tried once with a different ECU and it wasn't my thing. Yeah, so huge shout out to you guys for supporting it, and yeah, thank you.